Hey, I'm Graeham Watts with Intero Real Estate, and I'm your local neighborhood specialist. And if you're thinking about buying or selling in Redwood City or discovering the best local spots, I've got you covered. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, or just reach out anytime. And today, we're visiting Bay Burgers, located at 2634 Spring Street. And this pop-up sensation has been becoming a local favorite spot, serving up some of the best burger smash in the Bay Area, or at least locally at a minimum. This place is tasty. So first thing you need to get out of the way is the operating hours. Friday and Saturday from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m., Bay Burgers offers a straightforward menu with spokers on flavor and quality. They have fresh ingredients, made-to-order burgers, and just a fun dining experience. One of my favorites is the Oklahoma-style smash burger. It's a juicy patty with caramelized onions, delivering that perfect blend of flavors. Man, I love a good burger. And they have weekly specials, like unique burger creations that keep patrons coming back for more burgers. So what people like about this place is the friendly service.
I'm Isaac Xavier, proud owner of Bay Burgers here in Redwood City. We serve the freshest smash burgers, fries, aguas frescas, milkshakes, and as well as weekly special desserts. We hope to see you guys soon.
And of course, the crazy good smash burgers. So if you love a good burger, this is a must visit in the area. Here's some local Google reviews just to give you an idea of what people are saying. But I'm curious, what's your favorite burger topping? Do you have a favorite style of burger? Let me know what you like in comments below. And remember, if you're thinking about buying or selling in Redwood City, I'm your trusted real estate source with marketing insights to highlighting local gems like this. Let's connect. Just click on the button below. Feel free to reach out or just give me a call. See you soon.